Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. I've got another rare lock here today. The video today has a little bit of significance for me and my channel, of course. Video number 1, way back in September of 2018. The very first lock I picked was this massive beast, the Japanese Alpha rare lock, and that was video number 1. I've gone searching, and what I have today, brand new, sealed in the package. Take a look how old that package is. Somebody wrote on it there. Not only is it the little brother at 60 millimeters, it's all brass. And today I'm going to attempt to pull it out of this package. Carefully, I hope. And do what we do and try to pick this. Try to maintain some of this packaging. See if I can if I'm able to slide the lock out of here. I'm not sure. Take a look at that. There it is, guys. All brass. .60 millimeter. There's the keyway. It's got spring-loaded locking pole only on the one side. And there's the inscription on the back. You can see the old one compared to the new one. I won't be touching it in any way, but there's a comparison to the 70 millimeter with the 11 millimeter shackle. So the goal is to try to pick this one for you, and let's see what we can do. I might try that. Let's see how that works. Let's give it a shot. Pin 1 is loose. 2, 3. Just want to make sure I'm not binding. Just try that. 1. Actually, I'm going to go right to the back. It's 5, 4, 3. Okay. Okay, there was a click there. Okay, pin 2 is binding. And I was able to get it. What a beautiful piece. Just want to measure that shackle for you guys here. Yeah, 8.3 millimeter shackle. There it is, guys. I want you to take a look. 5-pinner. Take a look at that nasty bitting. That's what you want to see. That's cut down as far down as it's going to go. So guys, the rare, if you can find one, add it to your collection. It's a beautiful piece from Japan. You don't see a lot of locks still being made by Japan. There are a few companies that still do, and they're just beautiful locks. This is the Japanese Alpha 60 millimeter all brass model 1000-60 made by Alpha in Japan. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. I appreciate your support, guys. Thank you very much. See you at the next one.